I'm gonna be showing you my dirt bike.
You son of a bitch! I'm in!
See how tall I am?
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Look at my dirt bike.
Stop the cap.
Ain't she a beauty? Hey.
No, God!
It is.
No, God, please, no! No!
Oh yeah, totally.
No!
I think my foot is longer than the tires.
What? What the fuck?
Almost. Okay. For real though? There she is.
Well, no fucking shit.
Ridden 4 times, I'm pretty sure.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Perfect size. Well, a bit big.
That's what she said.
63 kilometers on it. Tops. That's not as fast as I can go, but that's the fastest I've gotten on it. Look, I can.
I don't give a fuck.